Good morning, all of you. I am Amol Deshmukh, your math teacher. Exercise 3.4 from R.D. Sharma. Question number 1. Solve the following system of equations by the method of cross multiplication. So, first method is solve the equation by graphical. Second one is substitution. And here we have to solve these equations by cross multiplication. So, first question is x plus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. And 2x minus 3y minus 12 it is equal to 0. Here, the general form of linear equation is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. It is there are two equations. So, first equation is of the form a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, and second a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. So, in this method, what we have to do? What is the procedure to solve this equation? Once again, look at that. These two equations. After, if we solve these two equations by the method of substitution, and we get the value of x is equal to this, that is b1 c2 minus b2 c1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1, and y is equal to c1 a2 minus c2 a1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Denominators are same. Here we have to learn these two formulae x and y. Here, on comparing this problem with this, a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Here in the first equation, coefficient of x is called a1, coefficient of y is called b1, and last term is c1. So in the first equation, coefficient of x is 1, so a1 is equal to 1, coefficient of y is 2, so b1 is equal to 2, and constant term is c1, it is equal to 0. So in the second equation, a2 coefficient of x is a2, coefficient of y is b2, and last term is c2. So here the coefficient of x is 2, so a2 equal to 2, coefficient of y in this equation is minus 3, so b2 equal to minus 3, and constant term is c2 is equal to minus 12. But remember that we have to make this equation in this form: a1 x plus b1 y plus c equal to 0. RHS should be equal to 0. Sometimes RHS is not equal to 0. Here RHS there is another number, so we have to convert this equation in this form, and then we have to solve this equation. So a1 is equal to 1, b1 equal to 2, and c1 equal to 1. In the second equation, coefficient of x is a2, so a2 is equal to 2, b2 is equal to coefficient of y, that is minus 3, and last term is c2, that is c is equal to minus 12. By the cross multiplication we have, so write x is equal to this formula: x is equal to b1 c2 minus b2 c1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1, and substitute this value in this formula. Here, after substituting the values, b1 c2, b1 equal to 2, c2 equal to minus 12, so 2 into minus 12, larger bracket close, this minus sign as it is, b2 c1, b2 is equal to minus 3, c1 is equal to 1, so minus 3 into 1 divided by a1 b2, 1 into minus 3, that is 1 into minus 3, larger bracket is closed, this minus sign as it is, a2 b1, a2 is 1 and b1 is, a2 equal to 2 and b2 equal to 1, so that is 2 into 2. Minus 12 into 2, that is minus 24. This minus minus get plus, 3 ones are 3, divided by 1 into minus 3, minus 3. This minus sign as it is, 2 2s are 4. So minus 24 plus 3, signs are opposite, then subtract and write the sign of greater number. Therefore 24 minus 3 21, and sign of greater number is negative. Here in the denominator both numbers are negative, so they have same sign, so add these two number, minus 4 minus 3, that is minus 7, and write the same sign. This minus minus get plus in division, 7 3s are 21. Therefore the value of x is equal to 3. Again write down the formula of y: c1a2 minus c2a1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1, and again substitute this value of a1 b1 c1 a2 b2 c2 here. c1 a2, c1 is equal to 1, a2 is equal to 2, so it is equal to 1 into 2, this minus sign as it is, c2 a1, C2 is equal to minus 12 and A1 is equal to 1. So it becomes minus 12 into 1 divided by A1 B2 minus A2 B1. Denominators of both x and y are same. So we can write this number as it is here. So 1 into minus 3 minus 2 into 2. So it is equal to 2 ones are 2. This minus minus get plus. 12 ones are 12. 3 into minus 3 into 1 minus 3. This minus sign as it is 2 2s are 4. Here 12 plus 2, that is 14. Same signs, then add these two number divided by minus 3 minus 4. Again here there are same signs. So add these two numbers and write the same sign. So 4 plus 3 7 and same sign is minus. So it is minus 7. So 14 by minus 7. 7 to the 14 and in division one number is minus. So whole answer is minus. So y is equal to minus 2. Therefore the solution of this equation is 3 comma minus 2. Use this formula and solve the remaining examples of exercise 3.4.